within our view, we can take some sections. So if I click Add Section in here, it now gives us the ability to change what type of section we're taking. So I can just click and drag and start to inspect certain parts within here as well.
What about saving some views and making and sharing comments?
Yeah, so again, we can make comments on. If this is something you're generating currently at the moment, maybe within AutoCAD, these time-saving
going into the development pad.
And the intensity. If I had a proper tree survey, I could bring that in with all the data.
Again, what I can do is move these up and we can just drag those. Yeah, and again, just from the line tool, again drawing in 3D, we can draw directly onto faces. We can place our tool in, select our line again, and we can begin to generate that layout.
So once you've concluded that, are you going to save that into A360, the cloud-based platform, as
Yes.
a Revit format file?
Yeah, so now this is directly linked with my A360 account. As Scott mentioned
Have you got that covered up?